This is the schedule of my free online chemistry workshop for February 2026. It's on February 2nd, February 9th, and February 23rd. We do not have workshop on February 16th. The time is 6 p.m. in Singapore, Hong Kong, and Manila. If you're from Sydney, that would be 9 p.m. local time. Please join if you can because it's free. We are going to cover a chapter in chemistry called the atomic structure. This is a very important topic in chemistry. This chapter will help you understand other important chapters in chemistry later on. There are some chemistry lessons that you learn from your secondary school teacher that you need to revise again to understand chemistry more. For example, this is the electronic configuration of sodium. You have all the proton and neutron at the center. The center of the atom is called the nucleus. The nucleus looks like this. It's not a perfect sphere. It's made up from a lot of smaller spheres. You have 11 proton and 12 neutron. Total, you have 23 smaller spheres joined together to form the nucleus. So it's not a perfect sphere. Protons are positively charged. They're supposed to repel each other. Which means the nucleus of an atom would be unstable because they repel each other. And they should explode. How can all the protons, which are all positive, join together to form the nucleus? This thing does not make sense. Did your chemistry teacher teach you the wrong thing? Okay, you should have asked your chemistry teacher last time. Yeah? But for JC level or for college level, we can start learning this. Yeah, we are going to discuss this thing during the workshop. It's very important. This is my Zoom link. The meeting number is 337-275-3433. We are going to use the online whiteboard. The name of the app is Miro. This is the link and the QR code. Please download and install on your tablet or iPad or handphone so that you can write on it and you can read my explanation or you can answer my question. I can explain your mistake. If you make mistake, I can easily explain it. You can understand, right? The tablet, if it is small tablet, no problem. You will see it on your desktop. Yeah, if you have a desktop or a laptop, you can see it there. But when you write using the tablet. Yeah, please book your seat by email. This is my email address, cecilsie@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me at this number, 65. That's the what do you call it? The Singapore country code, 96281754. Please join if you can. It's free. It's only 1 hour. That's it.